Gotcha. Oh. That was so cool. What's up everyone? It is a very cool, fresh morning. We've had a lot of rain in the past couple of days, and I thought that is the perfect opportunity to check out a nice small stream here that's had a bit of a flush with water and see if we can't find some nice brown trout. So as I said, very cold this morning. We've had a heap of rain, the river's dropping, and as I was walking down, I couldn't see any fish sitting in the shallower stuff on the edges or the heads of the runs where it's a little bit shallow. So I'm assuming the fish are going to be in the slightly deeper stuff. So I've gone for a nymph and a dry here on my Euro nymphing setup. Gonna push through, fish a bit of everything, but I'm thinking my fish are going to come from the deeper pools and slots. So we'll definitely throw a worm around, throw a mop around as well. But for a start, we'll see if we can get some fish to eat either the nymph or dry here. Very windy. That's why it's nice having the nymph and dry, because the water's not too deep or fast. The dry kind of helps give me a little bit of an anchor to the surface there. I think any feeding fish is going to be sitting somewhere there where the run kind of starts to peter out. Got it. Oh, in that nice slow water with a bit of animation. Geez, that's a nice fish too. Oh, calm down, mate. Just a little bit of a depth change there on the side of this soft bubble line. Interesting. Strong fish. They must be enjoying the cool water. Come on, mate. Really strong fish. Look at you go. Oh. Come on. There we go. Lovely fish. Pink tag in the top lip. Oh, you poor thing. You've had a battle with a barbed hook or something there, mate. Still happy to eat that. That's its better side. Nice fish. Well, there we go. Nymph under dry, pink tag in the slow water. But that fish, we had to, you would have seen me kind of twitching my rod. We had to give it a little bit of animation there. Just eyeing off this depression here. I've actually just seen one sitting right in the deepest point. I'm going to present the nymph and dry to it. Got it. Oh. Again, a little bit of animation just to get that fish to come up and eat. Come on, mate. There we go. How cool was that? Sitting up there for us to see. Oh, you're okay, mate. I got this fish in quite quickly, so it's probably green. Come on. In the tongue of all places. Thank you, mate. Whew, that was good. I think I can see another one sitting half on, half off this little rock in front of me there. Make a bow and arrow to it. Oh, missed it then. Wow, that's annoying. All right, I'm actually gonna flip a little mop at this one. So much wind right now. It's so cold, but I'm gonna just underhand this fly to this fish. Got it. Oh, first cast with the mop. What a fly. Got you, buddy. Check this out. Such a good cold weather fly. They just can't resist the bulk. Oh, did he pop that out? There you go, mate. Of what is a literal mop tied on a hook. Such a good fly. Just saw a fish rise up here, which is amazing because it's the first fish we've seen show interest in eating. Gotcha. Oh. That was so cool. That was the one. Nice strong fish too. Come on, mate. Jeez, look at that. Such a nice fish. All wrapped up. Gotcha. Made that one a little bit easier to land because that's a great fish. Check the condition on this one. Beautiful fish. Get you back, matey. Quick reminder everyone, if you are interested in finding out more about the gear that I'm using, the flies that I'm fishing, head to the description below the video, click the drop down, you'll find out where you can purchase the gear, where you can purchase the flies. You'll also find a link to my website where you can find out more about my guiding, coaching, and clinics that I hold. Now let's get back to the fishing. This run up here looks sensational. It's like the defined run and concentration of current, but it's not quick, which is ideal because these fish have just been so shut down. Understandably. If I wasn't fishing, I would be in bed doing not much as well. Maybe over there in the depth a little bit more, maybe, rather than up on the shallow side. I think that was a rise then. Yeah, and we got it. Oh, great fish. jumping right up onto the bank. I wonder if that's the fish I saw rise out of the corner of my eye. Come on, mate. You've rolled yourself up too a little. Oh, gotcha. No, you don't need to do that, buddy. You're okay. Unwrap this fish. There we go. Another nice fish. Pink tag working a treat. Thank you, buddy. Alright, I wonder if there'll be another in the head of this. That fish was right just before it lipped over on the far side. I can't actually see exactly where it was because the glare's so bad. That's why I made my cast to that rise quite a long way up just to give it time. Got to be another fish in this. Hey, wow, that wind. Gotcha. Oh. That was lucky because my cast got blown way over the side and I just kind of let the wind pull it into the current for me. Nice fish. I just love watching my dry go as it shoots across over the top when they've eaten that nymph. It's so good. Come on, mate. Gotcha. She's such great conditioned fish. You're a little tangled up in that. Oop, you're good. There you go, mate. Beautiful little fish. This depression up here looks fantastic. And throw a few drifts up through it. Might be a fish up there actually. I'm not sure. Make a cast to it and see. Yep, got it. It was a fish. That's amazing. I was fishing this and out of the corner of my eye, I just saw something shimmy over there. Such good fish. Come on, mate. Gotcha. Oh, no. Oh, I nearly got that horribly wrong. Oh, this fish wants to go. There you go, buddy. Anyway, as I'm unhooking this, just watching into that spot where I just caught that fish, and I reckon I saw another just kind of cruise into the same spot. Got it. Oh, better fish. That is insane. That fish just, once I caught the other one, this one slid into the exact same spot as I was just untangling my flies from the net. Come down, mate. Oh, just pinged off at my feet. Bummer. That was awesome though. So cool. Well, I'm going to wrap that up there, everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching what was a very cold but fun and challenging morning on the river. Nymph under dry was very good. It's such a reliable way to fish as the season goes on and those fish pull back into the slower water. It's just very consistent and reliable. So that's why I just ticked up there with the same 2 flies. I changed every now and again to a single nymph or a mop if I thought it would be good. But for the most part, you know, nymph and dry there, parachute mayfly and the pink tag, I had them 60 centimeters apart and I just ticked my way up, targeted that slower water and the chances came. Ironically, as the morning went on and I was about to wrap up, some fish pulled out into, you know, more feeding water. They kind of pulled out into the tail outs and into some of the slots where you'd kind of be able to Polaroid them and cast at them. So that was very cool, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to finish up, but that's the way it goes. As always, don't forget there are links to all of the gear that I was using in the description below. You can find all the information there. Check that out. Likewise, the flies that I'm using, you can purchase them in the Fly Life shop online. My signature fly range is there, so check that stuff out. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you guys all next video.